Hello everyone, this is Raj. Welcome to the world of Salesforce. Today is the day 44 class where we are going to discuss web to lead concept, right? Right, and how we are going to assign this lead, right? Lead assignment. So coming to this lead, so lead is nothing but as we have discussed in the previous clear classes. So lead is nothing but who is showing interest in order to purchase our product, right? So lead is nothing but just showing an interest to purchase our product. So it may be through website, it may be through campaigning. So there are marketing techniques, right? So out of these marketing techniques, if the lead is showing some interest, so from these marketing strategies, if we got any lead, so then it is termed as market qualified lead. Then it is termed as market qualified lead. Right, from the market, the particular person is showing interest. So whatever the campaigning we did in the market, so from this I got a lead, I got a information that this person is going to purchase a product. Now sales team coming into the picture, right? So here what sales team do? So sales team interacting with that particular person, so showing that video demos, right? So now this lead person asking for a demo, like so I need a product demo. So could you please show me how this product works and what is the lifetime and what is the discount you are providing, all these details. So discount details will come later. So just if you want to demo, so then by sales team coming in front of the lead or lead going to the nearby sales, right? Then they will show the demo. If he is interested, then next procedure starts. So then this person is known as sales qualified lead. Right, after the demo completion, so if still the lead is interested in order to purchase our product, then it is termed as sales qualified lead. Right, after sales qualified lead, then we are providing some opportunity to him, like we are providing some discounts, right? So what is the probability of this particular customer to convert as a contact or account in our, right, in our company? The account is nothing but a customer, right? So this lead, so after converting from sales qualified lead, so we are providing some opportunity to him. We are providing opportunity to him. If this opportunity is closed, now the sales team contacted to the lead, so providing some discount or whatever the opportunities are there, so they are going to provide to the lead, right? So still if he is interested, then it is termed as a closed one. We have won the lead. If we lost means closed lost. We have closed the opportunity, but we lost the customer. So closed one means yes, the opportunity whatever we have provided to the particular lead. So this opportunity is closed and we have won the customer. That means he is going to purchase a product. Then he is becoming a customer to us. Right? This is the complete life cycle which we have discussed in the starting of the classes. Right? So just remembering all these things. So once we become the customer, then we are providing some codes, right? Based on the code, if we purchase the item, then we are providing some invoices. So all these things comes under remaining, right? Like this. So this lead is converted to this particular lead is converted to contacts. This lead is converted to account. Account is nothing but a customer. This lead is converted to opportunity. Got it right? So this is conversion process. So before converting, I need to assign. So how the leads are generated. So before assigning also, how the leads are generated, I need to discuss with you. Right? So from the web browser, yesterday in the class I have shown, right? Some if I want to purchase the Royal Enfield bike, right? Let's say I want to purchase some Royal Enfield bike, right? See here, there is some inquiry form is there. So whatever the details you have provided in this inquiry form, if you see here, see full name, address, very minute data, very less data to be provided here, right? So this is what inquiry forms. So inquiry forms will not be like a pages will not be there. So just your name, mobile number, email ID, that's it. So see here, name is there, email ID, mobile number, what type of vehicle you want, pin code. So when you click on the submit, then a lead to be generated. So right, this is the UI page designed by the your UI experience designers there, right? So user interface designers are there. So website designers, you can say that. So this particular area you need to provide from the Salesforce. I need to provide from here to here. I need to provide to them, right? So whenever the customer is entering his details, when you click on this button submit, right? So immediately this whatever the details given by the customer to be stored in my Salesforce. How? That is not, this is known as web to lead concept, right? Mostly comes in the website designers only, right? In the experience cloud, it is in a separate concept. So there we are going to add these inquiry forms there. So how to use and how to generate the lead by means of this website. So we are going to discuss today. Okay. So go to Salesforce, clear setup. So here search for web to lead. See here, web to lead. Under the marketing, we are having web to lead. Click on this. Okay. See here, under the web to lead settings, by default, it is on as web to lead enabled, right? So by default, it is checked true. So if it is not true, just edit it and update it as true. So next see here, this is the option default lead creator. Who is the default lead creator? If there are any no assignment rules are there. So then who is the default lead creator? So whoever is the admin, I have placed my name, right? So Dhanaraj admin. So he is the lead creator, default lead creator. If you are going to assign some any rule criteria, you are going to give, if this criteria is satisfied, then assign this lead to so and so person. So that comes under lead assignment, right? If you are not giving any, right? If you are not providing any rules, any criteria, then by default the lead creator may be Dhanaraj admin, right? You need to enable this. Okay, click on save. We are not enabling this captcha verification here. Okay, no need of this captcha verification now. So now there is a one option here, create a web to lead form. See here, this form from here to here, this form. So I need to generate one web to lead form here. So now click on this create web to lead form. See, so what are the details? First name, last name, email, right? See, come here. First name, last name, email, mobile number, pin code. So you need to provide all, see, state, province code, city, okay, company, email, first name, last name. Right? In maximum cases, very minimal details only you need to provide in the inquiry form. No need to provide all the details. Okay. So now if you come down, so written URL, what will be the written URL? After click on the sub, see here, if you provide these details, right? After providing all these details, when you click on the submit, to which page it should redirect? The same page will not be continue, right? So when you click on the submit, it may be redirect to some other page that may be in the Royal Enfield thanks page, like this. Right? If you are looking for a loan, bank loan, so you have submitted some inquiry form, then immediately they will redirect to your loans details page, all these things. After clicking on this inquiry form, so when you click on the submit, then it will redirect to some all the details of the loans, right? Or some thank you page. So like this, I am going to add our Salesforce page. Right? Let's say I'm going to add my Salesforce page. Okay, www.salesforce.com I'm going to add. So after click on the submit, then he should redirect to this particular page. Right? Your wish, you can provide any page here. Okay. So I don't want to include any captcha here. Just generate it. That's it. See, finally one HTML is generated here. Right? So this is the HTML, final HTML. Just copy this HTML. Copy. I want to test it. Right? Copy this and I want to test it. Let me open any notepad or open notepad. Let's paste it here. Yeah, see here. So all the details will be displayed here to you. So this is the written URL. See www.salesforce.com. And this is the organization ID 00D starts with the 00D. right? This is the organization ID. Right? If you come down, see what are the details we have provided in the web form. What is the details? First name, APN name, first name, last name, email, company, city, state is there. So submit button is there. When you click on the submit, it will redirect you to this URL. This is the HTML page, complete HTML page. Now I want to test it. So copy this, go here, just open, click on this finished. Now open W3 schools HTML, W3 schools HTML. Okay, open this. Okay. Yeah. So just remove all these things. Try it yourself. Now I am going to paste my code here. Right? I am going to paste my code here. So just click on run. Just click on run. What it is going to display? See, first name, last name, email, company, city, state, and submit button. Right? These are the details which I am going to provide in my website. Right? Now I need to provide this particular HTML content to my website designers. I need to provide this particular HTML content to my website designers. There, so they will apply some CSS, some look. If the look and feel is good, then based on this, they are going to place wherever we want, we require. Right? So just provide all these details. Let me web to lead test email company city state. Okay. Just click on submit. See here now it should redirect you to Salesforce page. Okay. So let me save this first of all and I will show you how it is going to redirect. Okay, let me check in the Salesforce whether the lead is generated or not. Lead. If there is any duplicate rows or required fields are there, so it will not going to create. Let me check all those things. See, web to lead is generated. Very good. Okay, open this web to lead. So this is just one, just now I have created in order to avoid the duplicate rules, all these things. So email abc@gmail.com. So web to lead test one. So who is the lead owner? Dhanaraj admin. Right, by default, who is the default lead owner is? So just now I have shown, right? So from the website it is showing. From the website I am going to provide this detail. Where is this? From the website I have provided all my details. Okay, but who is the lead owner here? Dhanraj admin, because by default lead owner is assigning to Dhanraj admin. Now you got it right. So see here. So just now open not connected. Next working. Next unqualified. Next market qualified leads are there. Right? If it is qualified and duplicate lead. So all these are the status. So if the all these lead statuses are completed, then it is going to convert it to opportunity. Right? Next convert it to customer. Convert it to accounts and contacts. Okay. So this is the way we need to test it. So let me show you how. So let me save this. Click on save as desktop web to lead. Okay. Web to lead. So save as type as some web page. HTML, where is it? Search for the HTML portion. .html will be there. Let me directly .html. So and this see web to lead.html. Okay. Now open this. See here. First name, last name, the website. So this is the content you need to provide to your website designers. And you need to say that, so just apply some CSS and HTML look and feel should be good and place wherever you want. Right? So then this is the inquiry form. Here I am going to provide web to lead test to record email. I'm going to provide here. Okay. Submit. See here, now it is going to redirect it to salesforce.com. Now you got it right. So this is the way. So we need to provide our company based on your business requirement. So whatever the business will say, this is the written URL after providing the inquiry details. Right, after providing all the details of the customer, then the page should redirect to our website. So they will provide you written URL website and you need to place that written URL website. Okay, hope you understand, right? So from the web page like this, you need to provide the details. This is the concept of web to lead. Now, lead is created. Right now, the lead is created and it comes into my system. Let me check again. Let me refresh this lead. See here, one more web to lead test two. This is the third record. Okay. Okay, see here, web to lead. Okay, just now I have created. Now this comes into my system. So here by default, the default owner will be the Dhanraj admin. Right, leads are created. As of now, there is no any criteria. So it is assigned to a individual person, which is not supposed to be, right? So leads should be in a separate concept. So lead should be assigned to whom, right? Lead should be assigned to whom. Okay, so there is a concept. Then Salesforce providing a new concept known as lead assignment rule. So from there, we are going to provide some rule criteria, and if the lead rule criteria is satisfied, then based on the conditions, whatever the owner which we are providing, so it is lead is directly assigning to that particular owner or some queues. Right? Let me show you what is this. Close all these things here. Okay, click on setup. Right. So if the lead is looking like this, so in general, in real time, so there will be lot of leads will be there. So the admin need to log into the system. Again, he need to open this lead. He need to change this lead. So, okay, Dhanraj admin not the user. So I need to change this user to trainee SF. Like this, if we going to change all these things, it will take a lot of time. He needs to go into the individual record and look into each lead manually, then again reassigning to some other person, right? So which should not be like that in real time scenario. Now what to do here? In order to overcome this scenario, this lead assignment coming into the picture here. Lead assignment. Right? By default, lead one is assigning to Dhanraj admin here. Right? So now Dhanraj admin need to go into the system and need to change individual record manually. It will take lot of time. Right? So then here see lead assignment rules. Open this. See here, this is the standard lead assignment rule as of now. So click on new. So rule name will be, let us say, now this particular lead based on maybe rating, industry or country. So based on this, you can assign the leads. So for example, these are the US related leads. So should be assigned to the US related people. Right. Next, Indian related queues lead is there. So you should assign to Indian related users. Right, like this. So for example, industry, so there are a lot of industries are there. So based on this, so agriculture, if the user selected agriculture means agriculture related users, this lead need to be assigned, not directly to the Dhanraj admin. Right, based on the scenario, whatever the rule criteria which we are going to provide, based on this, it should provide. Right, it should assign the lead. Okay, now come here, let me add for this rule name US based US sales. Okay, US sales team. Let us say US sales team. Not a single user, some team members are there, right? So I'm going to active this and save this. Done. See here. So now US sales team is there. Just open this. Okay. So rule entries. As of now, no entries are there. Just click on new. So sorting order. So this is the first order. It needs to be checked. Right. This is the first order. What are the criteria? So lead country should be equals to United States. United States, or sometimes they will provide like lead country equals to USA. Right? Don't know how the user will provide. So here I can provide the logic as or1 or 2. Anything is fine for me. Right? United States or USA. But as of now 1 and 2. Right? It should be not there. On or 2. Right? Now come down. See here. Select the user or queue to assign the lead. So if you want to directly assign the lead, so then you can select the user, but it is not the correct right way. You cannot directly assign the lead to a particular person. Right? Then there is a concept of queue. Queue is there. What is a queue here? Right? So new queue concept comes here. Right? So for example, let a passenger going into a railway station in order to catch a train. Right? Now the time will be, let us say 10 a.m. At 10 a.m. the train will be starting. So he supposed to reach the railway station by at 9:30. So he reached the railway station and he saw the announcement that that particular train is delayed by 2 hours. Right? What he will do in these 2 hours, he again return to back home and sit somewhere in the AC room, and again at after 2 hours he will be back again to the railway station. No, right? So what he will do? So he will wait in the railway station at a waiting room. Right? Only whoever having the particular tickets for that particular train are allowed to wait in the waiting room, right? In order to catch that particular train. So queue is nothing but the same concept. Queue is nothing but a location, a waiting room, which we can say that it is a waiting room where all the records are waiting to process. So for example, see here. So if this condition is satisfied, so per day, so around 100 to 200 leads came into picture, right? So 200 web to lead forms are generated and 200 leads are created. So all these 200 leads will be going into this particular queue. Let us say all these are related to USA only. So now USA leads are going into this queues. Now I am going to add the queue members. So how to select this queue? As of now, we have not selected any queue because I have not created any queue. So how to create a queue? See here, go to setup. In order to create a queue, go to setup, select for queue. See here, queue. Just open this queue. Okay, click on new. Let me add US sales queue. Right? So if you want to send email, for example, under this sales queue, there are 200 lead records are there. Right? I need to send an email to the members. So whoever are there under this US sales queue, let us say, for example, 10 to 20 members are there under this sales queue. Right? For these 20 members, so I need to send an email notification. Right? So what notification I need to send? So these are the records that are waiting in the queue. If you want to select, pick up the record, yes, you can pick up. Right? So see here. So whatever the objects I am going to case, I am going to add for the lead, I am going to add case lead. So who are the users under this queue? So let's say Anaraj, lead, trainee, all are under the sales queue, US sales queue. In real time, it may be some other users. So US related users will be there, India related users will be there. So you can segregate them. So all the US related users, maybe 20 to 30 users are there, maybe 100 to 200 users will be also there. So I'm going to add all the 200 members under this queue. Okay, now click on save button. Okay, US sales queue is ready now. Now you got it right. So whatever the details, whatever the users I am providing under this queue. So in this queue, go to our lead assignment. See here, if you select the user, means only for the individual user only it is going to assign. But for the queue means in the queue there will be 100 members are there. User means only one member, but in the queue there are 100 members are there. So for these 100 members, so the records are waiting. So if the conditions are satisfied, if the criteria is going to satisfy, so this particular record is going to queue. Now out of these 100 members will get the notification. This is the new record coming into the coming into this queue. So just open this queue and assign the whoever you want. Right? And for example, I am the US sales guy. I can open the queue and I can assign to myself. And later my colleague is there. My colleague open the queue. Okay, this is the new record. Okay, I can assign myself like this. Right? Like this, I am going to create a different queues. Okay, select the queue here. See, US sales queue is there. So as of now, in this US sales queue, 4 users only are there. Right now, these 4 users will get the notification that so this particular record and is in the queue. So go and check the record and assign it accordingly. Okay, if you want to create an email template, just create one email template. So this is the lead. This is the lead assignment notification. Okay, if you want to select, so select any email template. As of now, we have not created any email template, right? So if any assignment notification, let me check. As of now, no, we have not created any assignment notification. Okay. So just create one email template that this is the lead assignment notification. So these are the lead details. So lead name, email, company, phone number, pin code, your country. Like this, you can add all the details of the lead and you can select this email template here. Just click on save. Hope this lead assignment and queue concept is good for you, right? So hope you understand up to here. Right? Like this, you are going to create a leads. Okay. So now lead assignment. Now it is in active stage. Let me go back to our lead. So let me create a new lead here. Go to leads, new lead. Phone number. Okay. Last first name will be what is this? Lead assignment test record. Okay, lead assignment test record. So company, some Salesforce. Okay, so what are the leads? Now come down. Okay, right. So what is the city here? Country, USC. Okay, USC. Click on save. Now check this details. Arre, what happened? So still the lead owner is Sandra's admin only. Why? What is going to happen here? So whatever the rule I have provided. So based on the rule, it should assign to US sales queue. And under this US sales queue, if anyone is interested, then he is going to pick up the lead. Right? So what are the objects? Yes, I have added the lead object. Right? So all these details are there. US sales queue is there. Okay. So this is the sales queue. Go to the lead assignment. See here, US sales assignment rule. So if the country equals to United States or country equals to USA, then immediately assign to sales queue. Yes, I have added it. But why? But why still the lead owner is the same? Because whenever you are creating a lead, whenever, let me delete this, assignment, right? Okay. Whenever you are creating any new lead, there is a one option is there here. So just open, check this. Okay. Lead assignment test record. Okay. Lead assignment test record. Company. Okay. Come down. Okay. So see here, there is a one option. Assign using active assignment rule. Right? So how many active assignment rules are there? As of now, only one active assignment. See here, this is in active stage. Only one assignment rule is there. So based on this rule, right? Based on this rule, it is going to assign using active assignment rule. Okay, you need to check this checkbox. So what is the country? USC. So you need to provide this checkbox as true. This is the very important. right? Very, very important. So click on save button. Now you can check this. Go to the details. See here, who is the lead owner? Now the default lead owner has been changed. Change it to, and it is going to assign to US sales queue. Now under the sales queue, everyone will get the notification that, okay, this is the record which is under queue. So now this lead person, so going to this list views, in the list views, there will be one option. Let me add this list view here. Okay. Under this list view, there is a one option. I have not created any list views, right? I have not created. If you create any queue, automatically by default, it will add as an list views here. Okay. I have not created any list, just I have created queue itself, but the list view is directly is going to add it here. Just click on this US sales queue. Now you can see this is the under this US sales queue. This is the first record. Okay, like this, there will be, so for example, there are 100 to 200 records are there. So all these 100 records will be in this queue only. So now the user going into this record, right? If he checking the record, okay, yes, it is fine for me. If he want to assign, okay, there is a one option. Just click on this checkbox and there is a one option here, accept. There is a button here, accept. Okay, just click on this accept. Done. So this has been removed from the queue. Okay, now go to all open leads. Now you can see here my record, wherever is created date. Now see here lead assignment test record. Open this, go to details. See, it is changed to Dhanrajan because I have opened the queue and I have verified in the queue. Okay, there are records. Yes, this is the lead which I am going to interest, and I can follow up with this lead. Right? I can turning this checkbox as true and click on this accept. I am going to accept this lead here. Right? When you are going to accept the lead from the queue, so directly the lead owner is going to change. So previously it is US sales queue. Under this US sales queue, so I am going to accept this. So this is the way you need to assign the lead assignment. Hope you understand, right? So this is the way lead assignment works. Okay. Now, so there is a, so now you are getting one doubt here. Okay. So every time when I'm creating any lead, see here when I'm creating any lead, so do every time I need to check this checkbox. If I forgot, what will happen? So it will not going to assign the assignment rule, but which is not correct, right? So for this also, Salesforce is giving one more option to us. What is that option? Go to your object manager, click on setup. Go to the lead object. Go to this lead object. Okay. Go to your page layouts. Okay. Under this lead layout, you are having layout properties. If you can see here, layout properties is there. Just click on this layout properties. See here, lead assignment checkbox show on edit page. It is showing on edit page. If you don't want, yes, you can remove it. No, I want to make it as a default. So every time when you create a new lead, so by default, the checkbox is true. No need to go to the end of the page and checking the checkbox as true. So by default, this lead assignment checkbox will be true if you check on this checkbox. Okay, click on OK and save this. That's it. Completed. So now if you create any lead here from this, just refresh the screen. Now if you create any lead, so directly it is going to take up the active assignment rule. Okay, no need to check on this. So directly it is going to capture the information. Okay, by default, we are going to on this. Okay, so provide this directly. So if you want to show this on edit page, yes, you can show it, or if you want to ignore it, yes, you can ignore. Okay, so that's it for today. So if you are having any doubts at any point of time, just mention in the comments. I'm going to respond to those comments. Okay, so keep following this channel for the latest updates. Thank you.